Hey buddy. Got some change?
Really? You're asking me for change?
Yeah. What?
We slept on the same park bench last night.
And?
Are you high?
What the fuck does that have to do with anything?
I'm a bum, you retard.
So?
I have no money. You know this.
I'm not with you 24/7. You've been known to smoke the occasional pole for money.
Oh. You suck one cock for crack.
More than one.
You know what?
What? What, damn it?
You can go to hell.
Get a job.
Really?
You heard me.
I watched you eat dog feces yesterday.
It was pudding.
Pudding from a dog's ass?
Look. It was delightful.
You're a freak.
At least I have a job.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Can you get me an interview?
I don't think you're what they are looking for.
But a shit-eating crackhead is
better than a pole-smoking bum.
Hey.
Look, that dog is dropping a poop.
Let's do this.